Accused of operating a massive illegal gambling operation in our state was in court today. Teddy Mitchell has been in the headlines for more than a year now. First for the still unsolved murder of his wife, and now for the numerous charges he's facing in connection with a notorious gambling charge. Tonight, a new twist as the prosecution tries to get Mitchell's attorney booted from the case. Here's News Channel 4's Latasha Givens.
The prosecution fought tooth and nail to get Mitchell's attorney thrown off the case. That's because he's related to one of the witnesses who's expected to testify against his own client. Teddy Mitchell walked into court fighting for the man beside him, his attorney, Scott Adams. The prosecution wants Adams off the case because his father is a witness for the government who will testify that Mitchell is in fact a bookie.
The only reason they want to tell that jury that it's my father is to try to make this a conflict issue, just like I told the judge today. What difference does that make in regards to whether or not Teddy Mitchell has committed the crimes they've accused him of? It has no bearing on it whatsoever.
The FBI believes Adams won't be able to adequately cross-examine his own father, and that could potentially hurt his client. They also don't know how the father-son relationship could appear to a jury. Adams argued under the 6th Amendment, a person has the right to choose their own legal counsel, regardless of the quality.
I'm who he wants to be as lawyer. I'm going to go in there and fight for him, and I can guarantee you this. At the end of the day, the jurors are going to quit Teddy Mitchell, and all this will be behind him.
The judge ultimately ruled that Adams can stay on the case, but not before making it clear that if the trial doesn't go Teddy Mitchell's way, he can't say it's because his lawyer had a conflict of interest.
I think the court made the absolute right decision under the law, and Teddy's looking forward to getting in front of a jury and getting acquitted and getting this nightmare behind him.
Adams also asked that Mitchell be allowed to speak with his sons before trial. The judge said no way, because Mitchell's sons are co-defendants in the case. Inside the courtroom, Mitchell cried at the ruling.
Why was he emotional here?
Obviously because he's not able to have a relationship with his two sons right now. One of the sons was in the courtroom and he saw him and he became emotional, just like I would as a father and you would as a mother.
Adams says Mitchell doesn't want people to forget about his wife's unsolved murder.
I would like to remind everyone that there's a $50,000 reward out there leading to the information about Julie's murder, and if any of this helps bring those people forward, that's all we're begging for at this point.
The FBI could not comment on the case, but they also fought to keep Mitchell from speaking with his business partners because many of them could be potential witnesses. The judge ruled he could speak with them in order to handle his business affairs. Back to you.